In this video, I'll show you how to set up standard call and priority call from the Carina Wireless Microphone. This video assumes you've already installed the microphone, updated your firmware, and set up SIP calling. I'll provide links in the description field below to the videos that show you how to complete these prerequisites. First, we'll set the call button press count for the standard and priority calls under the input section of your IP speaker or IP display. The default is 3 call button presses for a standard call and 7 for a priority call. Next, we'll set the call button call numbers in the General tab. In this scenario, we have set the standard call to call extension 500 and the priority call to extension 202. Extension 500 triggers a call to our desk phone. The desk phone represents the front office or any VoIP phone on the same network. Extension 202 is a pre-configured event trigger for an event that displays call button push 7 times. Now let's see how this works. The Carina Wireless Microphone will need to be powered on, paired, and enabled on the wall panel. The power should be a solid blue on the microphone, the pair light should be solid blue, and the enable light should be solid green. I will press the call button 3 times and trigger a call to the front office. Once my desk phone picks up, I'll need to press the call button once. And now I'm using the wireless microphone to speak directly to the desk phone. To end the call, the front office will need to hang up. Next, I'll press the call button 7 times and trigger the event on my IP display.